Hello, everyone. My name is Ian McGowan. I am in the end of my first year of the dual MSW Human Sexuality Education program at Widener, and I'm currently a parole agent with the state of Pennsylvania. I work in West Philly, is where a lot of my caseload is right now. I was a sex offender agent out in Delaware County for a little while. That was the only time where really I worked with any kind of treatment. And that was with the sex offenders. But as far as doing diagnosis stuff or working with a team to do that, I don't do any of that type of work right now. Once I am done with these classes, I'll be closer to retirement age for the state. And once I retire from the state, I plan on working for the Department of Veterans Affairs, and specifically with victims and survivors of military sexual trauma. But until then, just doing a school thing and finishing up my career as a parole agent. Looking forward to working with you guys for the summer classes. Take care.